Hey guys, I am showing you a new type of gadget you will never ever see in your whole life. It's shaving and hair cutting device. It's chargeable, but I think it's not charged in this time. This is charger of this unique gadget and I am connecting this pin to this unique gadget. And this is power on button. I am showing you it can shave and cut my hair in just only 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes is completed and I power off this device and uh, let me show you result of this device. Oh, it's pretty well. My shave is completed and my haircut is completed. I think you like this very much, and if you like this device, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.